Draw the logic diagram using gates for the following equation. Y is equal to, now here you have given logic equation and you have to draw the logic diagram from this equation. Y is equal to a bar dot b bar. Y is equal to a bar dot b bar, and in second bracket a bar plus b bar and whole bar. Y is equal to a bar dot b bar, in second bracket a bar plus b bar and whole bar. This is the logic equation, and by using this logic equation you have to draw its logic diagram. So here in this equation there are two variables, a and b, and you have to prepare the logic diagram. So first draw two vertical lines a and b. Draw two vertical lines a and b. Now here is a bar, so draw one NOT gate and connect its input to A. So here we are getting a bar. Input of NOT gate is connected to A. So here we are getting output a bar. Then connect another NOT gate to B. Here we are getting B bar. Here we are getting A bar. Here we are getting B bar. A bar into B bar. So we require one AND gate. So that we are getting A bar into B bar. Here is A bar, here is B bar. So A bar into B bar. The output of AND gate is A bar into B bar. Again, A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. A bar into B bar. A plus are here, A plus B bar is there. A plus B bar. So for A plus B bar, we require one NOR gate. So here output is A plus B bar. Now A bar into B bar into A plus B bar. So here we require one NAND gate, because again there is whole bar. So here we have to connect one NAND gate, because output of this AND gate is A bar into B bar, and output of the NOR gate is A plus B bar. So A bar into B bar into A plus B bar and whole bar, so NAND gate is required. So Y is equal to A bar into B bar. A is inverted by this NOT gate. Here we are getting A bar. B is inverted by this second NOT gate. We are getting here B bar. This is AND gate. So A bar into B bar. Output A bar into B bar. This is a NOR gate. So output of NOR gate is A plus B bar. Output of NOR gate is A plus B bar. Then here A bar into B bar into A plus B bar and whole bar, so we require one NAND gate. Suppose this is A, this is B. Suppose this is A, this is B. So A into B bar. So here we require NAND gate. Okay. Then next, find the Boolean equation. Find the Boolean equation for the following logic diagrams. See here, suppose this is your NOT gate. This is suppose input A. This is suppose input B. And this is AND gate. So what is Y? So write its Boolean equation. So A is inverted by this NOT gate. Here we are getting A bar and this is B. So Y is equal to A bar dot B. This is AND gate. So Y is equal to A bar B. Y is equal to A bar B. Now next, suppose this is NOT gate. Again, there is NOT gate. Let this is input A and this is input B. And output of these gates are connected to XOR gate. Then what is Y? So Y is equal to A bar, A bar XOR B bar. Y is equal to A bar XOR B bar. Then Y is equal to A is inverted by this NOT gate. So here we are getting A bar XOR B is also inverted by lower NOT gate. So A bar XOR B bar. A bar XOR B bar. Third, suppose this is a OR gate and this is AND gate. These are connected together. The inputs are connected together. This is A, this is B. And output of these gates are connected to the NOR gate. That is Y. So this is OR gate. The output of OR gate will be A plus B. This is AND gate. The output of and weight is AB, and this is NOR weight. So suppose consider this as A and this as B, then A plus B bar. The output of NOR gate is A plus B bar. So instead of A, the input is A plus B. Instead of A, the input is A plus B. And instead of B input, the input is AB. Plus AB bar. A plus B bar. So instead of A, we write here A plus B. Instead of B, we write here AB. So A plus B bar. Because this is a NOR gate. This is NOR gate. So Y is equal to A plus B plus AB whole bar. A plus B plus AB whole bar. Thank you.